Hello students, now let us discuss some problems on this NCERT questions. In school examinations especially, some of these problems are very important and asked almost repeatedly. So just be careful and there are some good questions also to have practice. Let us take some examples of reactions. Now one question we want to write on the question here. Okay. A welding fuel gas, a welding fuel gas, welding fuel gas contains only C and H. Welding fuel gas contains only carbon and hydrogen. Have C and H only. C and H only. Full stop. Burning a small sample of it. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen. In oxygen gave 3.38 gram carbon dioxide and 0.69 gram of water. 3.38 gram CO2 and 0.69 gram water. Full stop. Means and no other product. And no other product. आगे देखिए, a 10 liter volume of the gas at NTP, 10 liter volume of the gas at NTP has the mass 11.6 gram. Has the mass 11.6 gram. Full stop. Calculate first molar weight of the gas. Second part, calculate its empirical formula, and third bit, its molecular formula. Calculate molecular weight and its empirical formula and its molecular formula. Solve this question. How to approach? First it is taken here number of moles for molar weight. What is number of moles? It is weight in grams by molar weight. For the gases, what is number of moles? Volume of gas in liters at NTP or STP by 22.4 liter. We equate here these two expressions. What is weight in gram? 11.6. Molar weight unknown. Volume is 10 liters. Molar volume 22.4. On solving this part here, the molar weight of the gas is coming 26, 25.9. 25.9 we are writing 26. So once for the gas we know molar weight, we got one answer. Now for calculation of compound empirical formula, we require the ratio of C and H. We require the ratio of carbon and hydrogen in 1 mole of compound. So to find the carbon and hydrogen, we are given CO2 and water. So let us take what is moles of carbon atoms is same as moles of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 has 1 mole carbon. What is mole of CO2? Weight in gram by molar weight of CO2. Similarly, what is moles of hydrogen atoms? That double the moles of water. You can see from formula that the compound have molecular formula CH2O. 1 mole water had 2 atom hydrogen. So what is mole of hydrogen atoms? Double the moles of water molecules. So what is the moles of water? Weight in gram by molar weight 18. So when it is ratio of the moles of C and H will be coming how much in solving? It is coming 1:1. The ratio of moles of C and H on solving this part is coming 1:1. This ratio 1:1 indicate that the compound will have empirical formula CH. Then for the compound, what can be taken? Molecular formula CH whole N, and this N is how much? It is molar weight, molecular formula weight by empirical formula weight. The compound have how much? Molecular formula weight already given 26. From this formula CH 12 plus 1 13. 13 is taken the compound's empirical formula weight. So N coming how much here? 2. When N is 2, then for the answer you can write here that the compound will have molecular formula कितना आएगा? N2 है तो means C2H2. And the compound will have molecular formula C2H2. This okay, so the next example taken or next problem taken again is very commonly given in examinations, in the school test especially. You write the question, लिख लीजिए. Calculate the molarity of a solution in water in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.04. Calculate the molarity of a solution in water in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.04. Okay, so how this question you can solve here? आपको दिया है mole fraction of ethanol. So in this case, if you take here that for the question taken here, we can take total, that we can take moles of solution. We can take let the moles of solution is taken equal to 1. Then what the moles of ethanol कितना आएगा इसमें? 0.04. What is mole fraction? Number of moles of a given component in total number of moles 0.04. Then what the moles of water will be remaining 0.96. That is how much? 1 minus 0.04. That is how much? 0.96. Then in this case, what is the weight of water? Moles into molar weight. Moles into molar weight. कितना पहले सॉल्व करने पे? That will come how much in this case? 17.28 gram. And what can be taken the volume of weight of ethyl alcohol? Weight of ethanol. कितना पाएगा इसमें? Moles into molar weight of ethanol will be how much? (1.84 gram). So in this case, when we add the total volume can be total weight is how much? (19.12 gram). The total weight of solution. For solution, we can take density nearly 1 gram per ml. For solution, density can be taken nearly 1 gram per ml. आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में भी. तो we can take volume of solution nearly same 19.12 milliliter. Then what the molarity of solution? Moles of solute by the volume of solution. It is milliliter. To make it liter by 1000. On solving, you get our answer. So to solve this question, we can take total mole of solution, assume 1. Then moles of ethyl alcohol is 0.04. Then what is remaining is water 0.96 moles. What is the weight of water? Moles into molar weight. Then weight of ethyl alcohol, moles into this, because total weight of solution is required here. And since solute is very low, solution contain majority of solvent only, water only. So for solution we can take a density nearly 1 gram per ml. We have to assume because nothing given. So then the volume of solution can be taken nearly same 19.12 ml. And then molarity of the mole of solute by the volume of solution in liters. आपको ये मिलीलीटर में है, make it liter by 1000 कर दे. Okay, that is your example. So there are 2-3 questions very important. The rest questions are very simple. You can try practice yourself. Okay. So this we can finish the chapter 1 of NCERT, some basic concepts. Alright students, now we'll discuss some problems on the mole concept. I will cover up here some mixed problems which will have applications of mole concept. We already discussed in some basic concepts. Then we have discussed about concentration of solutions, their calculations, and then we have discussed already about your limiting reagent concept. So about these concepts we will discuss some questions now. So to do the questions here, you should first try the questions yourself and then see the solutions. I will give solutions for all these problems, but you first write the question, try yourself after pausing the video, and then you see the solutions. Okay? So write down first question here. लिख लीजिए. First question given to you here is, लिखा है इसमें, a 2 gram mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. 2 gram mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate is strongly heated to constant weight. Full stop. If the weight loss is found to be 0.124 gram, if the weight loss is found to be 0.124 gram, then find the percentage of sodium carbonate by weight in original mixture. Find the percentage of sodium carbonate by weight in the original mixture. Are you clear this question? Okay, try this question yourself. Now see solution. In solving this questions, in this question or this type of questions, you must know the basic reactions. Like on strong heating of this mixture, which compound can decompose, how they decompose, they will help you to find to solve the questions easily. Like in this question to solve here, how to write the equations. To write the equations, always one point to remember: write separate equations of both the compounds. One compound is sodium carbonate on strong heating will give which product. If this reaction is not known to you, question cannot be solved. So anyway, I'm just giving the equation. There is no effect. Alkali metal, group 1 metal carbonates are thermally stable. On heating, they do not decompose except lithium carbonate. After solving this question, I will give some common reactions which will be helpful to you in solving such problems. So anyway, first on heating, sodium carbonate, no effect. Second part on heating, sodium bicarbonate, it gives sodium carbonate plus CO2 and H2O. CO2 will be gas, water will be vapor phase. So on heating this compound, both CO2 and water are in vapor. CO2 will be gas and H2O vapors will escape out. ये दोनों आपके बाहर निकल जाएंगे. CO2 भी आपका गैस होता है, वाटर में वेपर फेज में, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या होता है, this compound can decompose when we heat to a temperature of nearly 300 degrees Celsius. It decompose. अब आपको इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, दोनों का अमाउंट निकालना है मिक्सचर में. इसका अमाउंट आपको निकालना था, इसका अमाउंट निकालने के लिए क्या आपको रिक्वायर्ड था, कुछ इक्वेशन. इसका इक्वेशन दिया नहीं है. ऑन हीटिंग ये आपका अमाउंट डिकम्पोज नहीं होता है. देन हाउ द क्वेश्चन वी विल सॉल्व. वी कैन नॉट फाइंड दिस अमाउंट ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट, बिकॉज ऑन हीटिंग ओनली वन कंपाउंड डिकम्पोज, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. तो जब इसको हीट करेंगे तो इसका अमाउंट निकाल पाएंगे आप. जो रिमेनिंग होगा वो किसका अमाउंट होगा, जो बचा अमाउंट होगा दैट द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट इज ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट। तो आप इसको ऐसे ट्राई कर लेंगे। तो इसमें रिएक्शंस में क्या दिखते हैं आप यहाँ पे, कितना इसका मोलर वेट है, Na का 23, 160, 84, 2 moles, 2 into 84 ग्राम, that is 168 gram. If the weight is taken of sodium bicarbonate 168 gram, it have how much weight loss? CO2 is 44 gram, water will be 18 gram, both are lost, we can take both combinedly. On combined it is 62 gram. On combinedly weight is of mixture, weight loss will be 62 gram from 168 gram of sodium bicarbonate. So let us solve this question here from data given. What is weight loss? 0.124 gram. You can take here if the weight loss is 0.124, sorry, if the weight loss is 62 gram, then the weight of sodium bicarbonate is how much? 168 gram. Then if the weight loss is 0.124 gram, then the weight of sodium bicarbonate will be how much? 168 by 62 into 0.124, it is double, 2 means it is 0.336 gram. The weight of sodium bicarbonate in the mixture is how much? 0.336 gram. So remaining is what here? The rest is the weight of sodium carbonate. कितना पड़ गया मिक्सचर में? Initial weight of mixture minus weight loss 1.664 gram. Then what the percentage by weight of Na2CO3 in mixture? Original mixture will be how much? 1.664 by 2 gram into 100. That comes solving 83.2%. So to solve the questions on heating effect base, sometimes what happen, compounds decompose on heat differently, and whenever the compound decompose on heat differently, we know some common we should know some common reactions. You should know some common reactions to solve such kind of questions. I'm just giving some examples, some very common questions which are given to you on heating effect based questions. Some common reactions you must try to keep in mind. Okay, just I'm giving some reactions on effect of heat based questions. Effect of heat. First we take on carbonates. On carbonates. In carbonate, first we can take group 1 carbonates. Group 1 we call them what? Alkali metal carbonates. Alkali metal carbonates. How on heating they decompose? Like we take first compound taken lithium carbonate, on strong heating give what? Lithium oxide plus CO2. CO2 is in weight loss. We can take remaining carbonates, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, rubidium carbonate, cesium carbonate. On heating, how they decompose, can you tell? On heating these compounds, how they decompose? There is no effect. Very important to know. On heating, they do not decompose. No reaction on heat. On heating, these compounds will not decompose. Why? Because these compounds have greater ionic character. Due to more ionic character, they have high thermal stability. कि आपको सपोज एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन दिया है कि मिक्सचर दिया था, लाइक इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन कि एक मिक्सचर दिया है सोडियम कार्बोनेट का प्लस सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का, आपने उस मिक्सचर को हीट किया, देन व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट इन द रिएक्शन आर फॉर्म। अगर आप प्रोडक्ट को ठीक से नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपका आंसर ठीक से नहीं आ पाएगा। तो इसलिए जरूरी है कि आप कुछ रिएक्शंस को आप याद कर लीजिए, इसमें कुछ कॉमन पैटर्न है रिएक्शंस का, आप उसको ध्यान रखेंगे तो आराम से क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे इसमें। ओके, तो दैट इज इन ग्रुप 1 कार्बोनेट only one compound can decompose, lithium carbonate. Remaining compounds on heating will not decompose, they are thermally stable. They are thermally stable क्यों? Because of more ionic nature, cations are larger, so this large cations can stabilize large anions and make the compound thermally more stable. So for that reason, on heating these compounds will not decompose, no reaction will take place. Okay. Now next we take bivalent metal carbonates. Bivalent means metal have +2 valency. Bivalent metal carbonates, they all decompose on heat. All decompose on heat. Example taken like group 2 beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, barium carbonate, strontium carbonate, copper carbonate, lead carbonate, ZnCl3, they all decompose similarly. How they all decompose similarly on heating? They give metal oxide plus CO2 gas. CO2 gas in weight loss in all such compounds. All these compounds on heating, like first we have magnesium oxide plus CO2, calcium oxide plus CO2, barium oxide plus CO2, copper oxide plus CO2, lead oxide plus CO2, ZnO plus CO2. All these compounds on heating, all bivalent metal carbonates on heating decompose to give their respective metals oxides plus CO2. In this case, two examples especially must be mentioned, and you keep in mind two more examples are there. One taken is silver carbonate on strong heating decomposed to form metallic silver plus CO2 plus O2 in weight loss. Also mercury carbonate on heating strongly decomposed to give mercury metal plus CO2 plus O2. These two metal carbonates, especially in this case, this silver carbonate is very important. It is given in the question frequently. Question can be given as a part of inorganic reaction as well as stoichiometry or moles concept calculation based questions. Both kind of question can be given. तो आपको समझ में आया सारा पॉइंट्स? आपको कितना दिया? बाइवेलेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? मेटल का वैलेंसी +2 होता है और ये सारे के सारे क्या होते हैं? कार्बोनेट्स डिकम्पोज होंगे हीट करने पर। क्या क्या बनाएंगे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स? ऑक्साइड ऑफ मेटल, CO2 आपका वेट लॉस में चला जाएगा। CO2 विल बी लॉस्ट इन द वेपर फॉर्म। We can take two more carbonates. One is silver carbonate, one is mercury carbonate. तो यहाँ पे क्या देगा? हीटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गली मेटल्स, मर्करी मेटल और Ag मेटल, CO2 O2 लॉस। अब बच्चे पूछते हैं सर ऐसा क्यों होता है? उसमें क्या रीजन है उसके लिए? इसका रीजन होता है कि these two metals सिल्वर एंड मर्करी क्या होते हैं? They are less reactive metals. When they are less reactive, they are capable of free existence. They can remain in free state. But यहाँ पे क्या थे सारे metals? They are reactive. Maybe some are more reactive, some are less reactive, but they are not capable of free existence easily. So on heating their compounds, they can give oxides, but these two carbonates on heating give metals. Especially silver carbonate is very very important. इसको ध्यान से याद कर लीजिए। अगर आपने लिखा है इसमें Ag2O plus CO2 and you do the calculation, you get the wrong answer. You will get the wrong answer. So ये जरूरी है कि आप इसको ध्यान से रिएक्शन को देख लीजिए। आपके लिए वो सिंपल कर दिया है, याद करने के लिए क्या है? पैटर्न है। बाइवेलेंट ऑक्साइड CO2 खत्म। Ag2CO3 का आप ध्यान रखें स्पेशली, समटाइम मर्करी कार्बोनेट का, कि ये क्या देंगे आपको? CO2 एंड O2 इन वेट लॉस। आर यू क्लियर? चलिए, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी टेक बाइकार्बोनेट्स। बाइकार्बोनेट्स। इन बाइकार्बोनेट्स क्या होता है? यू कैन राइट डाउन वन पॉइंट, लिख लीजिए पॉइंट को, लिखिए। ओनली अल्कली मेटल्स कैन फॉर्म सॉलिड बाइकार्बोनेट्स। ओनली अल्कली मेटल्स कैन फॉर्म सॉलिड बाइकार्बोनेट्स except lithium bicarbonate, which is not found in solid state, except lithium bicarbonate which is not found in solid state, full stop. And all of them decompose on heat, and all of them decompose on heating. Clear? Let us see. In this case you get question most common on sodium bicarbonate, on heating of sodium bicarbonate. It decomposes to give sodium carbonate plus CO2 and water vapor. It means it can decompose when the temperature nearly 300 degrees Celsius. It decomposes. Potassium or remaining all the bicarbonates, they decompose similarly to give respective metal carbonates plus CO2 plus H2O. CO2 gas and water vapor will be lost on heating. You get question most commonly on the reaction of sodium bicarbonate. So again this reaction is very important. On heating of sodium bicarbonate, very important examples there. So this reaction you keep in mind, sodium bicarbonate on heating decompose to give sodium carbonate, रेजिड्यू रहेगा इसमें, CO2 गैस, वाटर वेपर फॉर्म में होंगे इस टेम्परेचर पर, तो CO2 गैस एंड वाटर विल बी लॉस्ट ऑन हीटिंग। आर यू क्लियर? याद हुआ? नेक्स्ट वी टेक नाइट्रेट्स। Nitrates. In nitrates, we can take group 1 nitrates like lithium nitrate on strong heating decompose to form Li2 plus 2NO2 gas plus O2 gas in weight loss. Remaining, we can take metal nitrates MnO3, they give metal nitrites MnO2 plus O2 gas in weight loss. Here M can be taken your remaining alkali metals, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, etc. Only first compound lithium nitrate decomposed from lithium oxide plus NO2 gas plus O2 gas. Remaining all nitrates of group 1, they decompose to form the metal nitrates and O2 in loss. It is metal nitrite. यहाँ पे क्या है? नाइट्रेट, मेटल नाइट्रेट्स. Then when it is bivalent metal nitrates, they also decompose similarly. They decompose to form like NO3 whole twice on heating decompose to form metal oxide plus 2NO2 gas plus O2 gas. Here N can be taken in the previous example taken beryllium, all alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, zinc, copper, lead, means different examples are taken. So all bivalent metal nitrate decompose similarly and forming MO metal oxide plus NO2 gas plus O2 gas. And again we take different example was taken of silver nitrate and mercury nitrate. On heating decompose to form क्या देगा? Mercury metal plus NO2 gas plus O2 gas. Same for silver nitrate as well. On heating decompose to form Ag metal plus NO2 gas plus O2 gas. So again this example you have to remember mercury and silver compounds. You can take their nitrates, their oxides, their carbonates. On strong heating of nitrates, carbonates and oxides क्या देंगे? Metals. As residue, NO2 gas, O2 gas escapes out. I hope it is clear. Then some more examples you can take, some more general examples where you may get question of inorganic question or calculation based on mole concept. Okay, some typical examples more, like on heating potassium chlorate, क्या देगा heat करने पर 2 KCl plus O2 gas. On heating ammonium nitrate, we have nitrate and nitrate both. Nitrate on heating is N2O plus 2H2O, whereas on nitrite heating of ammonium nitrate NO2 give N2 plus 2H2O. Again these two are very important, you have to remember as a part of inorganic question, which can give N2O, which can give N2. More oxygen N2O, less oxygen N2. You can memorize this word for time being. Next example taken like heating of ferrous sulfate, taken 2 moles with Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Then you can take oxalic acid, give H2O plus CO plus CO2. Calcium oxalate on heating can give calcium oxide plus CO plus CO2 gases. One more example taken like ammonium dichromate on heating will evolve N2 gas, Cr2O3 plus H2O. This compound taken Cr2O3, Cr2O3 will be green substance. Cr2O3 will be a green colored substance. So there are some very common examples regarding effect of heat on various kind of compounds that try to keep in mind, because in mole concept the student have common doubt कि सर रिएक्शन क्या होगा पता नहीं चलता है एक बार में. तो मैंने आपको ट्राई किया सिंप्लीफाइड वे में देने के लिए कि एक कॉमन टाइप के कंपाउंड होंगे, वो डिकम्पोज होंगे, कॉमन दे विल डिकम्पोज विद कॉमन मैकेनिज्म, कॉमन अप्रोच. तो आपको ये याद करना यहाँ पे थोड़ा इजी रहना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब इस पे हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस अब करेंगे आपको इसमें.